let's set the time on a G Shock GMA-S110MP. So first of all, if we've just performed an AC reset, we're going to want to recalibrate our hands. To do this, we're going to press and hold the forward button until it beeps. And we'll see it start flashing sub. This is controlling our sub dial here. We want this hand to be pointing completely to the left to zero the sub dial. So we're going to press forward to progress it. And after that, we can press mode to adjust our hands. We're going to see it flash 000, so we want our hands to be at exactly 12 o'clock. We can press forward or reverse depending on where you are to advance our hands to 12 o'clock. Once we're done with that, we can just press adjust. Now we can go ahead and actually set the time and date functions. So we're simply going to press and hold adjust and we'll hear it beep. So first of all, we can choose our time zone using forward and reverse. Next we'll press mode, which we can choose to toggle daylight savings time off or on. Mode again will give us the option for 12 or 24-hour timekeeping. Mode again will advance us to our seconds, which we can zero with the forward button. Mode again will bring us to our hour. It's currently 6 p.m. where I live. Mode again, we can adjust our minutes. It's 38. Mode again, now we can adjust our year. It's 2025. Mode again to adjust our month. It is April. Mode once more for our day. It is the 9th. And mode again, LT is our light duration. We can do 1 or 3 seconds. And once we're done with that, we simply press adjust and our hands will set themselves for the right time. Thank you all so much for joining me in this quick time setting tutorial. I really hope that it was helpful and to the point. If you're interested in more tutorials and other watch related content, please do consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one.